Hey guys, so my third video for today, I wanted to focus on things to do in the winter. I'm a really outdoorsy person, and in the winter I get really stuck because there's nothing to do, so it's very difficult to stay active. But what I do, and I want to share with you guys so you can do it, is I create, on my phone, just like in a notepad, I create, let me see, I'll read exactly what it says. Day trip ideas. So I'll just Google one day, like where I'm bored or I'm at work, and I'll Google something to do during the week or the weekends with my family or friends. So I live really close to the city, so I wrote like different museums in the city. So Bodies Museum, I've been wanting to see that. Snowboarding, I never ever did snowboarding, but it's actually not that expensive. I think it's less than $100 to do like a lesson and rent the snowboard and all that good stuff. So yeah, I live also next to Mountain Creek. I'm kind of in a good area. I'm kind of like an hour from the mountains, an hour from the beach, kind of like in the middle, so I get to do like a lot of different things. But I'm sure everywhere around everyone has snow tubing, snowboarding when it snows in the winter. I also have dirt biking, which I've never been either. A couple of my friends actually have dirt bikes, and I've never gone on it. I'm actually like a really small person, and they say it's really difficult. And but I mean, you can always get like a kid's dirt bike, which is what I'll probably do. And it's like the same thing as snowboarding. It's probably under $100. You go on a trail, it's safe, and they'll like give you a little lesson on it. I also have horseback riding, which you can do all year round. Ice skating. I live next to an ice skating rink too. And then I also live next to a zoo, and during like Christmas and the holidays, they do a light show every night, and on the weekends, and it's free, so I've been wanting to do that. A sports game, so I never really got into sports so much. I don't really watch football. Sometimes I'll watch soccer during the World Cup, but that's really it. And basketball sometimes, but I've been wanting to get into like more football or like NHL. So I wrote down go to a sports game, which they're not really cheap. I mean, I don't want front row seats anywhere. It would be good for me. Concerts. Concerts are mostly in summer, I feel like, but there's also like some indoor ones, MSG, and stuff like that, and you can check out different ones if you like the people. I also wrote hiking in different places. As you guys know, as I always preach, I love hiking and walking. So I wrote, hike in different areas like Delaware, West Milford. West Milford has some great trails. So does Delaware, Water Gap, and it's a gorgeous view. And then I also put like arts and crafts places. I live next to Montclair, New Jersey, and they have, I think it's not called Messy Artist. That's for little kids, but I don't remember what the name is. I can write it down in the description once I find out. But you just kind of like create like different pottery, and you buy it and then you paint it, and it's really fun, and good like date plates, and it's a good time. So yeah, it's just really important to constantly be thinking of different activities to do. This way you're not just sitting at home watching TV. You always want to keep active and do fun things. There's so much to see in the world, so much to see everywhere, that you don't want to waste your time. And all of them are not too expensive. I mean, I'm on a budget too. I'm a college kid, so they're not like crazy expensive things. They're all doable. And definitely just like grab a friend, or you can even go alone to some of them. And yeah, it'll definitely be a great time. So even though it's winter, there's no excuse to stay cooped up and not do anything. Definitely just keep the same mindset as the summer. It does stink because it's cold out, but bundle up and you'll be good. And yeah, so that's it. So check in my next couple videos. I think I'm going to do 2 or 3 more. And just check in. I'm going to be talking about all different topics today.